making some treats for Hunter. We found this on Happy Wing Sanctuary. Here's what we did. We used blackberries, some Harrison's pellets that we grinded up. I didn't have chia seeds, so I used oats. A little seed mix. Mashed it all together. Shaped them into round balls and bake at 325 for 10 to 12 minutes. I was excited. Mama made him cookies. Cookies. He was just dancing. Now you want to show? No? Interest? Cookie? Want it? Let's do it. All right, let's try a little one. Ooh, that's a small one. You want to try it? Try it. Come on. Yeah, try that. That's Yum Yums. Do you want to try Yum Yums? Treat. Yum Yums. Some treats. Did Mom do a good job? Thanks to the Happy Wing Sanctuary people website. They told Mom, oh, this messy. Oh yeah, let's get you on your cage. Hunter said, Mom, where'd that cookie go? There's the Yum Yums.
When Frank asked me to testify, automatically I knew my case would have been dropped.
You see yourself? You didn't want to go on top of the cage. Uh-oh, you're going to drop the cookie.
What Jerry did was wrong.
You got your seeds. Yum Yums.
That was my closure to move forward.
The evidence of the conspiracy by the time we went to trial was overwhelming. We had each of the co-conspirators
Can you hold it yourself?
For the prosecution. We had his ex-girlfriend, Sophia Lewis, getting onto the witness stand, testifying.
Oh, cookie fell.
There's no mercy from me. You won't get it.
Jerry was sentenced
I'll sit by the
to
window
25 years, which was
and eat your
maximum
cookie.
on the rate, plus 7 years consecutive for the conspiracy for a total of 32 years of incarceration.
He's longer.
Yeah.
As the kids watch a documentary, and Auntie eats his cookie.
Still gonna come out.
It's fine. You know, whatever has to happen today has to happen. There's no way done it over. I maintain my innocence and there's more to come.
Yum Yums.
He's delusional.
Someone can be to do something like this.